I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
Hey guys, the Pro here. In today's video we're going to discuss and review this stunning and nice looking DELTACO mechanical gaming keyboard.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
First of all, let's discuss about design of a keyboard. As you see here, the backlight of a keyboard is blue and it looks really premium because it emits really bright blue light, and this blue light tone is really like a premium gaming keyboard light, so it looks really amazing and stunning on this keyboard. The keyboard has really nice symmetrical looking design, and as you see, if we take it up, the keyboard looks really awesome, and the shape of it is just gorgeous, and this is one of my favorite keyboard shapes, symmetrical ones. As you see, the keys are just like a mechanical keyboard keys, and it feels in the hand just not like a cheap product, but it feels really premium. So now let's take a closer look to the buttons quality and the sound. So I'm just gonna press the enter or any other button and let's hear the sound. So as you see, the sound is very desirable. It's like a sound of a god when you hear him. It's really premium sound, and it's stunning how it sounds like. Wow, it's really stunning. And for a price like that, the keyboard sounds really awesome, and the feel when you click the keyboard is really amazing and really satisfying, like a premium one, believe me. So I think this is one of the best products on the market for the price at the moment. Okay guys, so now classic sound test. Okay guys, so as you see, the sound of it is really awesome and it's godlike. And now let's talk about the most important things of this keyboard. And the first thing which I want to show you is the Windows button lock capability. As you see, the Windows button here has a lock, and you can use just FN button and lock your keyboard's Windows button to make your computer don't recognize it. So for example, let's press a Windows button here now, and as you see, it throws the start. But if we press the FN button and we press lock button here, we can make to lock it on this keyboard. So let's press FN and the Windows button. So now I did that, and let's go back to your computer, and as you see, it doesn't work anymore. So when you play the game and randomly or accidentally like to press the Windows button all the time, here's your saving solution to make you really be safe to don't press this button. Also here you have another good options, for example, to make your keyboard backlight look less intensive or make it disappear at all, and it looks pretty good white also. So another thing you can do is to just use a mail button, use play buttons, and just standard buttons like on every keyboard.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
To kill one guy and go back now. Soccer, why are you going there? Oh, double goal.
The last thing I wanted to show you today is how the button looks from the inside, and I just will remove the button and make you sure how it looks like. So as you see, the button looks like that from inside, and it's just like a standard mechanical keyboard's button. Okay guys, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video and you like this keyboard. I hope you will buy this one because for me it costs only 35 euros and it's really cheap at the moment on the market. I hope you will get this keyboard for such a price also. This is really good for gaming because this keyboard looks really stunning, feels really awesome and premium, like a really good keyboard like Jose, MSI or Razer SteelSeries and any other. And I hope you will enjoy this keyboard when you buy it. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe my channel. If you want to ask me something or just write your opinion, please just comment in the video section below, and I hope you write me a message with questions for this keyboard. So enjoy this keyboard and bye bye. Peace.